Pause and take a breath. Create a moment just for you with some mindful flower painting. No experience needed, just follow along and enjoy the process. You'll need acrylic paints, brushes, palette, water jar and canvas or paper. Set up a space that feels comfy and you're good to go. Take your time and enjoy the brush strokes and paint how you feel. No need to get it perfect, wobbly lines are part of the fun. Want to do it again? Go for it. Repeating projects builds confidence.